Hi, how's everybody doing today? Today, we're going to do the turkey gravy because you have to have gravy for Thanksgiving dinner. This is what you need, some homemade turkey stock. Now, you can wait to the day of and strain off all of those drippings from your turkey to make this. And trust me, I'm not going to be upset with you if you do. I actually will make my gravy in advance just so it's ready. Put it on the stove and heat it up. And then I'll add some of those turkey drippings to it just to add some more flavor. But I do like to have my turkey gravy ready. It's one of those things I can do a couple days in advance, have it in the fridge, and pull it out. And all you need is your turkey stock, butter, and flour. And that's really just your basic turkey gravy. But if you remember, when we made our turkey stock, I saved some of that turkey because I like turkey running through my. So I'm going to melt about 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just kind of doing a small batch here today. Generally speaking, you want a tablespoon of butter to 3 tablespoons of flour for 1 cup of your stock. So today we're going to go with 2 cups of stock just because it's just the two of us. So I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of flour. And you see how precise I'm being because if it's a little too thick, I'll just add a little more stock. So that's why I'm not worried about it being super precise. And then you, of course, want to cook your roux for a couple of minutes. And then we're slowly going to start whisking our stock. Go slow at first to start slowly incorporating. This helps keep it from getting lumps. Also, if your roux is hot, you want your stock to be cold, and this also helps prevent lumps. Now, of course, if you have people with celiacs or gluten intolerances, just take your stock, warm it up, make a little slurry with cornstarch, and thicken it that way. It's just cornstarch gravies, they just have a different texture. I just like the roux gravy's texture better. And as you can see, it's a little thick, so don't have to worry. We're just going to add a little more stock. Now, if you roast when you make your turkey stock, if you roasted your turkey bones, then your turkey stock would have a darker color, so therefore your gravy would have a darker color, but we didn't do that this time. And then I have a cup of that turkey we saved, and I just chopped it up a bit. And I'm just going to let this cook a couple of minutes, and that's just going to help that turkey really start to kind of fall apart and work its way through the gravy. So next comes the important part, the seasoning. And I like a few drops of Worcestershire sauce in mine. And then I'm going with my mixed pepper blend here. And then the crucial part is the salt. And you want kosher salt here. We did not season that stock when we made it. So now we're adding the salt to season it. And you want kosher salt because kosher salt brings out the natural flavor of food. Sea salt is just going to make it taste salty. Sea salt is more of a finishing salt, different things like that. But for bringing this out to making this turkey come forward, you want the kosher salt. So you're going to go with a big pinch of kosher salt. I got this new kosher salt. It's really fine. It's not big like my old one, so my pinch is off. So I'm trying to get used to it. And then you're going to taste. And what you're going to find is every time you add a little more of that kosher salt, it's going to start to taste more and more like turkey. And that turkey flavor is really going to come out and become prominent. And when you hit that level of that's the perfect amount of turkey taste that I want, then you stop with the salt. already pretty good. But again, I'm going to do a little more pepper. And I'm going to do another pinch of salt. The pepper is making me want to sneeze. I'm trying not to sneeze. And then we're going to taste again. It's getting there. Not quite there. I'm going to go another pinch of salt. But it definitely tastes more like turkey than the first time. Now, Billy and I are going to Myrtle Beach for Thanksgiving. We're having a little kind of an early Thanksgiving. And I'm going to pack up all the food and take with me. And so we're a little early. So I'm taking my gravy when it cools down. I'm going to freeze it, and then I'll take it. And then it'll be already done in advance for me. Another taste. Tasting pretty good there, but I'm going to go one more pinch of kosher salt, and I think that is going to make it perfect. Now, if you don't like the turkey parts running through your gravy, then absolutely you don't have to do that. All right, this I think is going to be it. Tastes like turkey gravy. So good. I just love this. Give me some mashed potatoes and turkey gravy, and honestly, I'm pretty happy. So here we go. Easy, easy, easy. Make your turkey stock. Make your turkey gravy a couple days in advance, and then it's ready. And absolutely, when you have those beautiful drippings from your turkey, whisk some in, because it's just going to enhance what's already delicious. I think I was 16 and I was making my very first Thanksgiving dinner by myself, and I was going to do it. And I was making homemade turkey stock, and I had that cooking on the stove for hours, and I just for gravy, because I wanted turkey gravy. And I put the colander in the sink and then dumped all my stuff into the colander. All of that stock that I had made just went right down the drain. So let me tell you, I was a bit of an upset 16-year-old girl. And so then we had to take the drippings from the turkey and whisk that into a can of cream of chicken soup for our gravy. And I'm pretty sure some tears were shed by me. Turkey gravy, done. I'm not sure what you're going to see next tomorrow, but there's going to be something next for you tomorrow. We are working our way through this all natural ingredients Thanksgiving dinner, and we can check the turkey stock off our list. Thank y'all for being here. I appreciate all the love and support and comments, and stay safe out there on the waterways. If you are on the waterways, and everybody else, just stay safe. I'm going to see you really soon. Bye. Thanks.